You're my subject, and I'm coming in, and it might annoy people sometimes. Hey guys, so I'm over in Hackney, East London. I haven't done a video for a while. It's got to be probably about 3 weeks. Kind of a reason for that. I've been giving some thought about where I want to take this channel. I think what I'm going to be doing, well, I know what I'm going to be doing. I want to niche, God, I hate that word. But I'm going to niche into street photography, which is pretty much my default setting as photography goes. And I actually think street photography is the best way to give your photography an edge, no matter what else it is that you're shooting. So if you're shooting portraits or weddings, if you practice street photography as well, it's going to give that work an edge. So I reckon about 90% of this channel is going to be street photography. One of the things I've noticed is that the street photography video that I posted last year seems to be the video I kind of got the most feedback on, and seems to be of like real value to people. So I just thought, and I love street photography, so why not? So my plan with this is just to really dig deep in the field, so to speak, but also talking to you about the street photographers that I love, talking a bit about their work, and also talk about my methods, my approach. The stuff we can cover here is like limitless. So we're gonna have a whole bunch of fun, guys. Yeah, so guys, get involved, leave a comment, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me here, The Street Thief. Pretty much my whole street photography portfolio is on there. One of the things that puts people off is that fear thing. It's like that they're scared, right? But for me, using that fear as kind of a barometer. What a lot of people do, they'll find ways to shoot street photography anonymous. And that's fine, I'll do that sometimes if I want a bit of a break, right? But for me, there's something about the fear thing whereby you push through that, you will create a dynamic in your work that's not obvious in those other photographs. Because I want those photographs where people are looking at me and thinking, wow, how the hell did he get the camera there, right? That's kind of what I'm looking for. So like I said, using that fear as a barometer, just bringing that fear into your awareness, because when we're not aware of it, we kind of just automatically, unconsciously, we just avoid it and then we play it safe. But by having an awareness of it, I'm a little bit scared here, and the degree to which we can push through, what I've seen is that's the degree to which your images are going to have an edge. Oh, by the way, so today I'm shooting on the Sony, the A7 III, and I've got a 35mm lens on there. But I mix it up, guys. I'll shoot with the Sony. I'll also shoot street photography with my smartphone. So we're going to be getting into all of that. Today, though, predominantly, I'm going to be shooting with the Sony. I've got to close the lock back up now so I can climb across. So now, I'm going to get into it a bit with a Sony 35mm, and let's get some frames. I will always hold you close as I love. I'm so out of practice. Just like that, you know, them butterflies. It's like, oh, it's mad. But I'm just starting out again. So long. So long. They're all at it round here, aren't they?
Yeah, well, I live close by, so yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, man. It's the first time I've been out since COVID with a camera, well, properly, do you know what I mean?
Okay, yeah. Well, a lot of people have been coming to the park.
Stop and have a little chat, ain't ya? You meet some great characters when you're out with your camera. I'm so rusty. Like those shots I was getting like 3-4 years ago, which were like, just like really dynamic, up close and personal. You can see the lines on people's faces, you know, it's just like, I was shooting every day. It's like a little resurrection, this, and you're all invited to it. So we're coming into Hackney proper now. So coming down here, Hackney Central. People love having fun. One of the things I'm noticing though, now I'm getting into my stride, I'm getting a bit brave with proximity, and just getting in a bit closer than I was like an hour or so ago. But I'm sneaking a few shots. There's nothing wrong with that. And I don't know, for me it just feels more genuine. Like I can hold the camera like this, okay, and it's on silent. I can kind of sort of sneak a few shots. Now, it's fine, it's fine. It just feels more genuine to me. My heart's beating and just like I'm up close like that with the camera, no fucking about. Do you know what I mean? Hey, mate. It just feels more congruent and genuine to me. You're my subject and I'm coming in, and it might annoy people sometimes. I don't know, I'd just rather risk that and just feel that, it's all part of it for me. And I am sneaking a few shots as well. I'm sort of mixing it up a bit, but I reckon after 2-3 shoots, 2-3 times out, we'll be back in the zone, so to speak.
Please take my guitar, send it north to my mom if I die. Before I die.
It's good morning. I think first time out for a while. I'm definitely rusty. I think we got some good shots, but yeah, we got some good stuff. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.
As we might not meet again before I die.